Since 1997, Automotive Repair Systems has been delivering a high-quality, reliable and cost-effective repair service to the motor trade. With national coverage, we pride ourselves on being the only one-stop shop provider of S.M.A.R.T repair services in the United Kingdom, offering a full suite of mobile cosmetic repair services, including paint repair, alloy wheel refurbishment, interior trim repair, dent repair, and on-site diamond cut alloy wheel repair. Our booth service is a breakthrough in flexibility for dealerships with high-volume repair throughput. In an age where time to market is key, our booths offer dealers and de-fleeting centres the speed and affordability of S.M.A.R.T repair, along with the quality, finish and year-round availability of a traditional body shop. Our diamond cut wheel repair facility gives us the ability to refurbish up to 250 diamond cut alloy wheels per day, with wheels going through a complete strip, repair and refinish process to an OEM factory finish. We also offer a trade collection and delivery service for diamond cut wheel repairs dependent on location. Our head office and the centre of operations includes our in-house body shop, dedicated UK call centre and bookings team, accounts and HR departments, along with marketing and design studio. We take expertise at Automotive Repair Systems very seriously. It means we are knowledgeable, we are skillful, and more importantly, we deliver. Make the smart choice and partner with Automotive Repair Systems today.